say you in love, no, but you don't even know. Cause it's happy birthday, I gave you some.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Iyahna, and I'm back with another banger. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all, it's gonna be an unboxing of my MacBook that I got. Now, disclaimer, this MacBook is not the newest one, and it's not a new one, it's a refurbished one. And I'm scared, cause what if it's not good? I'll be so freaking scared. I'm scared and excited at the same time, but yeah. So I think it's the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2012 refurbished or 2015. It's one of those. It's the one with the big booty. So yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing my MacBook. All right, so let's just show y'all my address. I don't know. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. All right, let's open this thing. This box jacked up. My computer better not be jacked up. So the only main reason I got this so my editing could be good for my YouTube videos for y'all. You know, I want to upgrade my editing. Hopefully this is good. And I was not finna spend $1,500 on the newest MacBook. Who was finna do all that? Period. Not me. And I also got this from where I get this from? I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $400 something. So yeah. Dang, can I open it? I'm scared. Y'all, it's open. So this is what it's looking like. Oh, that's the charger. This is what it's looking like. What the charger look like. Got a little Apple logo. And I didn't know it had like things on the side where you can wrap it up. I mean, like, yeah, it has like stuff on the side so you can wrap it up. I did not know it had that. That's how long the charger is. Bro, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Stop it. Get some help.
I mean, if it do got scratches and stuff on it, I had got a case for it. So now for the final review. Here we go. I'm scared. Oh, it do got scratches and junk. Oh no, this is just for what's it called on top of it. So let's take it out. This is good bubble wrapping. So this computer cold. So this is what they look like so far. It has like a film over it. I'm gonna take it off. I don't know what this is. All right, so here's your laptop. It has like a film on it. So I'm gonna take that off. I don't know why it's on here, guys. But I don't really care. It was refurbished. I was expecting it. So I just hope the actual internal of the laptop work good. I don't really care about the outside. That's why I got a case. And I'll show y'all the case later on when I put it on. Dang. I don't know why this thing is on here. I put this on here because it got a whole bunch of scratches in it.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, as you can see, it has dents and scratches all over it. But you know, as I was saying, okay, let's open it. I'm scared. Ooh. The inside looks good though. Like the screen and stuff looks good. There's no scratches on the inside. So this how it's looking. So they gave me a thank you card. Limited warranty summary. Each computer comes with a minimum 30-day free return policy. Blah, blah, blah. Hey, let's see the return on. Is it dead? How you turn this on? Are you supposed to hold it? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Oh, don't this have like a what's it called? A battery thing? They gave me this thing dead. I'm gonna charge it and I'll be back with y'all for the update. Okay, let me go charge this thing. So I have it on the charger now, and it's like, you can tell it's charging because there's like a red dot on the charger. Y'all can see that. I don't know if you have to wait for it to charge for a little bit or it can come on now. Let me see. Can y'all see? Coronavirus! What's going on? Yes, sir. Y'all seeing it's coming on. It's like a loading thing. So while that's loading, I'm gonna show y'all the case that I got for it. I got this off of Amazon and it is so cute. Like this. Let me open it. I believe it was like, how much was this? $18, I think. And like I said, this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch 2012 edition model. Oh, this is cute. It sure is taking a long time to hello? Ain't taking a long time to load. So it came with a bottom piece. It came with a keyboard thing. And it also came with the front, of course. So it's saying is setting up your Mac.
Do my little dancey dance. I've got my
Now we wait. Oh my gosh. 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 Hello. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I got a freaking MacBook. Like what? Like what? I would have never thought. Like what? Like what? Like look at it. It looks so beautiful. Like what? I'm confused. Like what? Like what? Okay, that was kind of fast for it to be in the 2012. You see how fast that like, huh? Like what? Like what? I will find my Mac. First of all, who's going to lose a whole MacBook? I'm confused. So I don't know what OS X Iyahna means. I don't know what that means. But it says MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2012. 2.5, I don't know what that means. 4 GB Intel HD graphics for. Y'all need to see all that. Y'all. So yeah, like I said, it's the MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2012. Show you how it looks. So this is how the MacBook looks with the case on. Isn't it so cute? And this was the back looks. And as y'all know, the mid 2012 version, the back still lights up. Is it lit up? Hold on. Let me turn this off so y'all can see. So there y'all go. You can see the back still lights up, which is so cool. I really hope you and guys enjoyed watching me unbox my MacBook Pro. If you want more videos like this, if you want a second video on how I customize my laptop, comment down below and let me know if you want to see it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.